No head. Okay. Okay.
Walk around back.
I thought you were gonna bring the car around.
Nah, do the back brake light. And then we'll jump in together and do the steering wheel and all that motion. So you can get around the truck too.
Oh, I should have started with that.
Brake light. All right, jump in with me.
No, that's what happened last time.
All right, emergency brake. Steering wheel moving good. All right, let's go.
Speedometer and middle. This.
This is my speedometer. Emergency brake. Parking gauge engaged. I got frontwards camera. I got reverse camera. I got cage in the back. All right, turn the steering wheel, no noise, everything's good to go. All right, let me see it again.
Don't touch any buttons.
$25, no noise. Complete stop. All right, just record some more. We'll go up there and I'll check the tires.
U-turn, because that was one of the things that got.
Oh yeah.
Well, I guess the cul-de-sac counts.
I don't know if that's exactly a U-turn. Oh yeah. No noise with the steering wheel. We're good to go.
Year, make, and model.
2017 F250 Super Duty XL.
4-door.
4-door, 8-foot bed. Now we're going to check the tire tread depth. Oh, seatbelts. Driver's side seatbelt. Passenger side seatbelt.
Works.
All right. Let's do the penny test now. Alright, penny test, driver's side. Passenger side front. Passenger side rear. Driver side rear. Driver side front. This concludes the video of a 2017 F250 Super Duty. Do one more around it completely. Make sure you get the bumpers. Got hooks on the front.
Read the license plate.
License plate 3, D as in dog, L as in Larry, 5246. Oh, I gotta do the exhaust too, I forgot. go. I actually have a delivery on my truck now. That concludes our video of a 2017 F250 Super Duty. Thank you. Oh, here's my reverse camera too. All right, stop it and we'll upload it.